So we just got into camp here in Cape Spencer, and we're gonna get the camp set up, get dinner going, and just enjoy being here because it is beautiful. Okay, so tell me what we're doing here.
So we're making rice.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna pan-sear some salmon, and steam some broccoli.
Okay.
And then at the market today, we got some rosemary and sea salt for contact.
Okay.
I'm gonna drizzle it with olive oil and then toast it in the pan after we're all done.
Now we also got our salmon from the market too.
Yes, we did.
And we got, not only did we get salmon to cook, we also got some smoked salmon.
We did.
We got 2 different kinds. You want to try? Yeah, let's try that. That's the peppered one.
Okay, did you want to try some smoked salmon?
Yeah, come over here.
This is like crocked pepper. It's so good.
I kind of need another piece of this.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
What do you make?
Making rice.
Why?
See it? You want to see it boil? Here. Let me lift you up. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're getting
That's
big.
good, right?
So good.
So good.
Pull it away. You can have some once it's done if you want.
Okay, so let's check back in when the salmon is on and see how that's going. Cool.
Got some fresh Atlantic salmon going. I think I'm gonna have to cook one piece at a time though because they're pretty big. Salt and pepper. Do you want any spice on yours? This is the bigger piece.
Hi.
What's up, Killian? Who?
Boo.
This is my piece here.
That's yours. You spice it how you like it.
What's yours?
Mine's right here. See, mine's tinier.
Little paprika. Why not? Adobo seco or whatever.
That might be the adobo.
Yeah, he knows how to cook.
He does. He's a good cook.
Okay, that's good for me.
Okay.
Well, you just let it cook skin side down, or do you flip it at all? Or do you just let it cook from the bottom up?
I don't know. It depends on how long it's taking to cook.
Okay.
Sometimes I'll just let it go.
Hey, Chris.
If you want, you can put a lid on it.
Why
Not gonna fit.
Where do I sleep?
Let's try this. Here.
Okay, so how long do you think this is gonna take?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay. All right, so we'll check back in 10 minutes.
Alright, so salmon's been cooking for a few minutes here, and we're ready to go. Perfect.
Where's my little fork thing?
Utensil bin. Yep.
They climbed up to the top of the thing that looks like that one, put over there. They climbed up.
Let's try your handiwork here.
All right.
It's delicious.
Walking away.
Bon appetit.
Okay, here we go. First salmon I've eaten on
Camping trip?
on a camping trip. Yeah.
Not a bad way. Pretty good.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's really good.
Awesome.
What are you gonna season yours with?
Probably just a little garlic salt.
Okay.
Some pepper.
Hang down.
Nice.
Simple.
What kind of rice was this again? It was
This is
with,
garlic and butter rice.
yeah, that's good.
Up.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
Nice. Alright.
Most people don't eat this good on all their camping.
Well, you know, most
But
people
there's-
don't
being
have
married to you
that
has its perks for
convenience
sure.
in their life, so.
I will fully agree with that. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Great.
Enjoy.
I'm gonna go eat this.
Alright.
You can try that sandwich. It's on my app.
I thought it had to
Get
go
the
with
shows
the
of
idea.
Miami. for land cruiser. Yeah.